Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see about some of the set functions. Okay, the last video we have seen about the some other set functions. We will see the continuation of that video. Okay, we will see the some of the rest of the set functions in this video. Okay friends, let's move on to the video. The first one is intersection. Intersection means it returns the intersection elements between two sets. That means only the common elements, the elements which are common from the set 1 and set 2, that element should be displayed after by performing the intersection operation. Okay, intersection function is nothing but it used to display the common elements of the both sets. Okay, this is the syntax for the intersection. First set, if the set 1 dot intersection of set 2, otherwise the and symbol, ampersand symbol also used to denote the intersection of the sets. Okay, let's see an example. Four and then 5, set 2 equal to okay, then set 1 dot intersection set 2. See, 1, 2, 3. These elements available in the both sets. Set 1 and set 2 contains the common elements 1, 2, 3. So we got the 1, 2, 3 elements, and we can perform the intersection operation by using the ampersand symbol. Set 1 ampersand set 2. Okay, so the both give the same result. Okay, so the meaning of the same is the same set, the both set contain the same meaning. Okay, the intersection operation and the ampersand symbol also give the same results. And the next one is difference. It returns the elements from the first set which are not there in the second set. Okay, syntax of that: first set, that means a set 1 dot difference of set 2, and we can denote the difference function by using the minus symbol. Okay, so first set minus second set, that means you have to subtract the second set elements from the first set. It will return from the first set which are not there in the second set. Okay, if the common elements are present in the first set and second set, and by applying the difference function, the common element should be rejected or neglected, and the elements which are not present in the set 2 only which present only in the set 1, that set 1 elements will be displayed. I'll see an example, then only you can easily understand. Set 1 equal to the same 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, set 2 equal to the same set1 dot difference. Set2 4 5. See, set1 elements contains 1 2 3 4 5, okay, and set2 contains 1 2 3 6 7, and 1 2 3 are the common elements between the set1 and set2. Both the set1 and set2 contains the common elements 1 2 3, and after applying the difference function, the common elements has rejected. Okay, this is the common elements is already present in the set2. So the elements which are not present in the set2, that elements will be displayed. So 4 and 5 has displayed. We got 4 and 5, and set1 minus set2. See, the same result has come. We got the same result. So either we can use the difference, otherwise minus symbol. You can use as per your convenience. The next one, intersection update. This is nothing but it's also perform the same as intersection operation, but the slight difference is here. The slight difference will be here. That is, after performing the intersection operation, all the the result value will be updated into the set 1, first set, that means set 1. Okay, so the set 1 contains the result value. See, this function will update the first set with the result of the intersection between the first set and the second set. Syntax is first set dot intersection update second set. Okay, I am taking this set 2 sets. Okay, intersection update set 1 dot intersection update set 2. I want to display set 1. See, and again I am going to print set 2. See, the set 2 contains the elements which are same as we have initialized, but the set 1 elements has the common values between the set 1 and set 2. So the intersection update operation has performed between the sets, and the result has updated into that set 1. So it contains the both common elements between the set 1 and set 2. So the result has updated into the set 1. So we got 1 2 3 into the set 1. Okay. The next one, difference update. It's also perform the same operation as the difference operation, and the result will be updated into the first set. Okay, the symmetric intersection update, difference update, symmetric difference and symmetric difference update both all perform the same operation as the intersection difference, symmetric difference. Okay, but the minor change is there. What is that? The result will be updated into that set 1. Okay, that's the first set. All the result will be updated into the first set. It's a major difference between the intersection and intersection update. Okay, next one, the difference update. The result of the difference between the two sets will be updated into the first set. Okay, then the syntax for that difference update is first set dot difference update second set. set 2. Dot syntax is set 1 dot difference update. Set 2. Okay, I am displaying the set 2. All the element has come and the set 1. See, after performing the difference operation, the result is 4 and 5. So we got the 4 and 5. Okay. The next one is symmetric difference. That means it returns the unmatching elements between the both sets. The intersection operation performs the returns the common elements between the both sets, and it will returns the unmatching elements from the both sets. Okay, it's a very important point. Intersection is the common elements and semantic difference is retains the unmatching elements from the both sets. Okay, the syntax for that symmetric difference is first set symmetric difference, second set. Okay. Okay, first set dot set 2. See, the set 1 and set 2 contains the common elements 1, 2, 3, and the unmatching elements from the set 1 is 4 and 5, and unmatching elements from set 2 is 6 and 7. So both 4, 5, 6, 7 has come. All the unmatching elements has come. Okay. The next one is symmetric difference update. That means it's also perform the same operation as symmetric difference, that returns the unmatching element from the both set, and it's also here also it will perform the same operation, but the result will be stored in the set 1. Okay, that's a first set. That's not a set 1. Whatever the set we have taken at the first, that's the first set. Okay. So the syntax for that, first set dot symmetric difference update, second set. I am going to take the same set, so no need to take again. I am going to perform set 1 dot syntax symmetric difference update. Set 2. Okay, the set 2 contains the same elements and the set 1 element has modified. See, these are all the symmetric difference values, but the result of the symmetric difference update is the result will be updated into that set 1. Okay, so we got a output. Okay friends, that's it today. If you have any doubt, just leave a comment in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you friends.